In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to log out of Messenger. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open your Messenger. Here we go. You can see that I am logged into my account. Now all you have to do is minimize your Messenger and then open your Facebook. Here we go. Your home page appears. Now at the bottom you can see different options. Go to the option menu. Now go to the option settings and privacy. Tap on the option settings. Here you can see different options. Go to the option password and security. Tap on it. Now here you can see this option where you are logged in. Tap on this option see all. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on the option logout of all sessions. Tap on it. Tap on logout. Now you have to minimize your Facebook app and then open your Messenger. Open it. Refresh it. You can see that I have been logged out of my Messenger. In this way, you can easily log out of your Messenger. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.